how to turn off or on microphone permission on customize your gift card on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open Amazon Shopping and then click the three lines here and click settings, and once you're here you will find permissions. Click on it, and here all you need to do, just scroll down until you find the microphone. Here is it, and then click customize your gift card and you can turn it off, on or off, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.